Blockchain technology will create positive multiplier effect. Chairman of the Indonesia Crypto Asset Traders Association, Aspakrindo, and COO of Tokocrypto, Teguh Kurniawan Harmanda said, blockchain technology, including crypto assets and NFT, can create a positive multiplier effect that can broadly affect income and consumption increases, thereby boosting the economy. Blockchain has now become one of the most crucial technologies globally. This technology can be applied in many sectors and provides broad benefits for the community directly or indirectly. The good thing is, blockchain hopes to support efficiency and transparency so that Indonesia can anticipate changes in the world that very fast, said the man who is familiarly called Manda. Manda said, the development of blockchain technology is so fast and is currently still in its early stages. Indonesia should be able to adopt it faster and lead the development of blockchain technology in the Southeast Asia region. The opportunity for blockchain project application in Indonesia is also enormous. Blockchain can be implemented in various sectors, including banking, social media, entertainment, health, insurance, property, sports, energy, government, and various other industries, he said.